Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home and prepare for your examination. Students, today in this video we will start our lesson number 15, A Caravan Chief. A Caravan Chief. Now first, I read the lesson for you, so all of you have to listen it carefully. John Ramson was going to Baghdad with a caravan of 20 camels. The chief of the caravan was a tall, strong native, a man with a look of intelligence on his face. His name was Ahmad Ali. His word was law to the 19 men in the caravan and they obeyed him without question. Ramson had with him a leather bag in which he kept 100 pieces of gold. He counted the money every day during his journey to make sure that it was safe. One day he found his box opened and the bag gone. Ramson told Ahmad Ali about it. The chief thought over it for a few minutes. Then he said, "We are not moving camp today. We will stay here for the day. The saddles have to be mended and we have to attend to 2 or 3 donkeys that have lost their shoes. I will see that you get your gold back before the evening. Please go and have rest." Then the chief went into his own tent and closed its flap. All through the long morning hours, he was not to be seen around the camp. At noon, when Ramson went to find Ali, he found the flap of his tent still closed. Ali had asked his people not to disturb him. When he came out of the tent, it was almost sunset. He ordered his dinner. After dinner, he sat on a big box at the center of the camp and asked Ramson to sit by his side. He called all his followers and asked them to sit in a line in front of him. The followers immediately obeyed him. They sat in silence for 5 minutes. Then Ali said to his followers, "You have put me to shame before this stranger by stealing his money. I will find the thief right now." He pointed towards his tent and continued, "You see that the flap of my tent is closed. There is a plate inside the tent with which will help me to find the thief. Each one of you must go into the tent and touch the plate. If an innocent man touches it, he will not be harmed. But if the thief touches it, his hand will get caught in it, and we will find the thief." Here, as you see in this picture, Ahmad Ali find the thief by tricking him. Now what was the trick? We continue the story. All the men went into the tent one after another, came out and sat in a line as before. Nobody's hand had been caught in the plate. Ali went to each one of them, bent down and smelt his palm. When he came to the 12th man, he stood holding that man's palm to his nose for some time. Then he said, "You are the thief. Go and bring the gold. If you don't, I will kill you right now." The man fell on his knees and begged his chief to spare his life. "I give you 3 minutes to bring the gold here," Ali said. The man went to the place where he had hidden the bag of gold, took it out and ran back to the chief and gave it to him. Ali returned it to Ramson. When all the people had left, Ramson asked Ali how he had found the thief. He said that he had put on the plate a liquid with a strong smell. All except the thief had touched the plate, and their palms gave out the smell. So students, this is the story of a Karwa chief, how Ahmad Ali find the thief and gave money to the ransom. So students, there is a story of the intelligence of Ahmad Ali. So once again you have to read it and try to understand it.